defendants have been hearing for the past.
Halford Munene Murakaru, Charles Mwangi Murakaru, and Julius Ndungu Wainaina were freed on a personal bond of 4 million shillings with the condition that they deposit their passports with the court. Dismissing the application by the prosecution to have the suspects detained for more days, Thika Chief Magistrate Theresa Murigi said the prosecution failed to prove claims that the accused were a flight risk and will abscond the court if released on bond, besides influencing investigations. The suspects, who have denied breaking into the Kenya Commercial Bank Thika branch through an underground tunnel and handling stolen property, were arrested last weekend and 17 million shillings of the total cash stolen recovered. The case will be heard on March 29, 2018. And the Kenya Revenue Authority has only 7 days to respond to a case seeking to have the Kenya Revenue Authority Board stopped from extending John Jiraini's tenure as Commissioner General. Justice Nelson Abuodho of the Employment and Labor Relations Court directed that the responses be filed before 13th December for the inter-party hearing to allow the case be heard and determined before December 20th, when Jiraini is supposed to retire. In the petition, human rights activist Okio Mtata want the court to retire Jiraini immediately and start the process of recruiting a new Commissioner General as per the law. Okay. And 2 men have been charged in Kiambu court for using false documents to defraud former Gatundu North Member of Parliament Patrick Muiruri, who is their cousin, 17.3 acres worth over 100 million shillings. Victor Ngunjiri Maina and Patrick Ngunjiri Maina are said to have committed the offense on 5th March 2011. Principal Magistrate Justice Kituku released them on a bond of 100,000 shillings each. The case will be heard on 26th March 2018.
Some of these pleadings were not specifically pleaded in the petition, in terms that we are giving the petitioner a new...
Meanwhile, tempers ran high during the hearing of a petition by former Yatta Member of Parliament Francis Mwangangi challenging the election of Charles Kilonzo during the cross-examination of the then Yatta IBC returning officer Nicholas Kilimi. Lawyers representing Member of Parliament Mwangangi could not stand the Kilimi's testimony, who revealed to the court that anomalies marred the Yatta parliamentary election. And Mombasa High Court has rejected 7 witnesses who were slated to testify for Hassan Omar in an election petition against Governor Ali Hassan Joho. The former senator, who was defeated in the gubernatorial contest in August, had lined up 19 witnesses in his case. Lady Justice Lydia Achode ruled that information from the 7 witnesses could not be ascertained as it was obtained from third parties. The judge also added that part of Omar's evidence before the court may also be thrown out if it fails to meet the court's threshold. Justice Achode said Form 37C, produced by the petitioner, was not admissible as it did not have the Electoral Commission stamp. And Kisumu Governor Professor Peter Anyang' Nyong'o took to the stand to defend his affidavit in an election petition filed against him by former Governor Jack Ranguma. Justice David Majanja held that the 5 polling stations whose results are claimed to have been excluded in the final vote tally. The case proceeds on 20th of December 2017.